You idiot! You put that... You have to pay for it!
I'm sorry! I'm sorry, Ma! I'm sorry, Ma!
You get in there! Right now!
Mom!
What are you doing?
Mom!
Sige, Ma'am!
Mom! 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 Ako kayo! Mom! Ako kayo! Mom! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Mom, I'm sorry! Mom! Mom!
You were looking for your passport, right? Here, take it.
I don't understand.
You will find your 1 month salary also there. It's better you leave now.
But sir, I have to work.
My wife will always find reasons to hurt you.
But sir, I need this job.
Have respect for yourself. It's not right that my wife beats you. Go home to your family.
But who will take care of Edison?
We're also leaving. I can't take any more of my wife's behavior. Go now before she wakes up. Go.
Thank you.
Sa wakas, nagkalakas loob na rin si Carla na tuluyang hiwalayan ang asawa at iwan muna sa mga magulang ang kanyang mga anak. Nang magbalik siya sa Singapore para muling magtrabaho, maswerteng napadpad naman si Carla sa mabubuting amo.
You find my presentation interesting?
My presentation!
Sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
I pulled an all-nighter just to finish that. What did you do?
It was an accident. Mom, what can I do to help?
Just leave.
Nancy, tingnan mo, oh. Nag-aaral na uli ang nanay.
Nay, ano po yung binabasa mo?
Ito, tungkol sa pagnenegosyo. Kapag nakapagtapos na ako dito, at kapag nakapag-ipon na ako, diyan na tayo magnenegosyo sa Pilipinas. Di ko na kailangang umalis.
Talaga ba, Nay? Kuya, si Nanay di na daw alis. Nay, alam mo ba kagabi si Tatay pumunta dito?
O tapos?
Buti na lang po pumunta po agad dito yung mga tanod. Kaya hinuli po agad siya. Nandito naman po sila lola at lola eh.
Hindi niya ba kayo sinaktan? Ang Kuya Michael mo?
Hindi naman po.
Salamat sa Diyos.
Kaya lang po si Kuya, nangubit ng pera kay Lola ka. Tapos tinulak pa ako nung nalaman niya magsusumbong ako. Wala nang pinagkaiba kay Tatay.
Nancy, huwag kang magsalita ng ganyan. Ang kuya mo, kakausapin ko. Amo anak, kapag natapos ko na to, Hindi ko na kayo iiwan.
Pangako na naman.
Oy, Michael, matuto kang gumalang, ha? Lalo pa nandito ka sa loob ng pamamahay ko, ha? Eh, ikaw naman, Carla. Saan ka naman anak kukuha ng pangmatrikula mo? Eh, mga pinapadala mo nga dito sa amin, eh, sagad na. Wala nang natitira nga sa'yo, eh.
Sayang naman, Nay. May natatabi naman akong konti dito para sa sarili ko. Doon ko kukunin yung pag-enroll ko.
Tama yan, anak. Tapusin mo kung ano na umpisa mo. Para na rin sa kinabukasan ng mga anak mo.
Anything wrong?
Mrs. Smith, I failed my diagnostic test.
Okay.
Okay? How can it be okay, Ma'am? Maybe studying is really not for me.
Rubbish. Studying is for everyone. It's just a diagnostic test. It only means that you have a lot more catching up to do. It's normal. So, continue your studies and do your best. All right? Okay, where are you having trouble? Let's see.
Here, Ma'am.
Here, let's try this. This might help. How are you doing with your online course?
Actually, I stopped, Ma'am.
What do you mean?
My father had a heart attack. I had to send money for the expenses, including my tuition fee for next semester.
My God, is he all right?
I hope so.
But you're already halfway through the course, aren't you? You enroll again. I will help you.
Really, Ma'am?
Yes.
Michael! Kunin mo itong box dito at ipasok mo.
Tay.
Tay, tingnan mo, oh. Nakapagtapos na ako.
Sa wakas, natupad na ang pangarap niyo para sa akin.
Nay, sorry po.
kayo iiwan. Mabubuhay na tayo ng maganda, ng magkasama.
Hindi na kayo aalis dito sa Pilipinas, Nay? Dito na lang kayo?